the most part, our main job is to get back home to our family. We got kids at home, we got our spouse at home, we got family at home, get our coworkers home safely, and even the public, right? We're here to educate them, here to prevent crime, we're here to take criminals off the road. But at the end of the day, we want to make it back ourselves.
Hello, Texas Highway Patrol. Reason for your stop is you have no headlamps on in front, man. You have your driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
All right, man, here you go. Like I said, it's a warning, no final penalties. Just make sure we're careful with that, all right? Other than that, you're good to go and you're safe, okay? You gotta separate the home and work and make sure that we're in the right state of mind when we hit the road to make sure that we keep ourselves safe. And then we're in that right state of mind to do our job properly every day. Hello, Texas Highway Patrol. The reason for your stop was your speed, ma'am. Do you have your driver's license and insurance? All right, give me a minute. Let me check out the computer, see what comes up on there. It's gonna be a warning for now, all right? Just give me a minute and we'll get you going. Right back with you. I know, give me a minute. Let me verify everything. It is gonna be a couple of citations. I mean, you gotta have a license, you gotta have insurance. Yeah. So just give me a minute and we'll get you going right now, all right? I'll be right back with you. She's going 45 into 30. No driver's license, no insurance. You're gonna have till November 20th to take care of this. Judge's name, address, and phone number is gonna be right here on your copy. Okay. Just like any traffic stop, I asked him for a form of driver's license since he is operating a motor vehicle. Claimed he had left his wallet at home.
Reason for your stop was your speed. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I forgot my wallet at home, sir.
Which right off the bat didn't necessarily answer the question about having a driver's license. So dígame la verdad, no hay por qué. ¿Qué es su nombre verdadero? What's your real name? On your phone. Do you have social media?
Facebook, yes.
Facebook, yes. Okay.
Yo.
Okay. So, what's your name? So, why are you lying? So, right now, this subject provided a first name, last name, and a date of birth. Had no driver's license, had no form of identification. Looking through records, and it did turn out that he was giving a false name and a false date of birth, which revealed he had an active warrant out of Hidalgo County for a terroristic threat. They placed him under arrest for the warrant itself and the failing to ID as a fugitive, providing false information intentionally. There's a lot of people that drive without a license, and we're here to educate them and make sure we guide them in the proper direction. And there's times where they do get nervous, right? Just because of the fact that we're police, they're being stopped and we're questioning them. But there's different levels of nervousness, and you can see the differences when someone's nervous because they're stopped, and the nervousness when they're hiding something. So that's when we take it beyond the stop and we start digging, trying to get more information to see or reveal what it is that they're hiding.